What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about how you can make money with a small YouTube channel without having to wait for ad revenue or without just having a huge following. Now, the biggest misconception a lot of people have is that when you have a bigger channel or you're starting YouTube is you're going to make most of your money from YouTube ad revenue, which is not true at all. It's the complete opposite. You're going to make the least amount if you're doing things correctly on YouTube from your ad revenue. You're going to make money from other sources a lot easier and a lot quicker than just ad revenue. Now, YouTube recently changed it where you have to have a certain amount of subscribers. I believe it's 1,000 now, and a certain amount of watch time. I believe it's 4,000 minutes, might be hours actually, 4,000 hours of watch time before you can monetize your videos and start getting ad revenue. So I want to show you my ad revenue real quick, just so you get an idea. So under my Creator Studio right here, you can see this month about $2,400, about $75 to $100 a day in ad revenue with about 200,000 views, which is about $10 per 1,000 views, which is very high. It depends on niche on YouTube. If you're in the comedy niche, it's going to be very low. It might be $1, $1.50 per 1,000 views. Average is usually $3 to $5. Entrepreneurship niche is higher because there's more people running ads on that content. Hence, you get paid more. So at my best, if we go monthly over here and change this to, we'll just go this year. So this year, you can see at the peak when I was getting about 700 to 800,000 views, we had a $7,000 month, 5,000, 6,000. I was doing daily uploads here and then stopped doing daily uploads around here. And you can see it went down because less uploads, less views, less money from YouTube. However, how are you going to make money with a small channel? You're not using ad revenue. What am I talking about with which way you can make money? And what I'm talking about is going to be affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is just getting a commission for promoting someone else's product. So an example of I believe it's my second video I ever posted on my channel. And my third video ever, you can see, has 244,000 views. I had like 50 subscribers at this time when I uploaded this about a year ago. 245,000 views. In this video, I was showing people how to do product research on Amazon, and I used a certain tool in there called Jungle Scout, and that tool I got a commission for promoting as an affiliate. Now, if I go over to that affiliate dashboard, you can see 1 year later, mainly from that video and then other videos as well as teaching, I have made $125,000 just from that one tool in affiliate commissions. And you can see how many people went and viewed it, so about 30,000, and how many people actually went and purchased it. So affiliate marketing is a lot easier of a way to make money when you're creating a YouTube channel than just waiting for ad revenue. And one of the best ways you can do this with content is going out there and teaching people how to do something. It could literally be in any niche. An example, let's say you're gonna go show people how to start Shopify. This doesn't even have to be an entrepreneur niche. It could be you're talking about tech gadgets or food or whatever it is. An example would be, okay, I want to talk about Shopify. I'm gonna teach people how to sell on Shopify or even just document what I'm doing. So if I just type in Shopify affiliates, you can sign up right here. If they ask for a website, you just put in your social media, so your YouTube channel, and it's almost automatic approval, but you can see the average is $58 per person who signs up that you get. Now, that's a pretty big commission. It's 200% of their first month, so if they're doing the $29 package, you will get $58 for each person that signs up. Now, I could do this, so I teach Shopify on my YouTube video. I'm showing people how to do it. I leave my affiliate link in my description, tell people to go sign up for Shopify, and every time they do, if they create an account, even if it's a free trial, and then it goes to a purchase, I'm getting 200% of whatever their first month is. And there are more expensive plans, which you can see here. So that is one way. I could also go and find other tools that people on Shopify use. An example would be if I'm trying to create my own website. Now, this is my favorite kind of affiliate commission, and this is recurring. So Clickfunnels offers 40% recurring monthly. So if you sign up and you pay, so they have different packages. Let's say you buy the $97 a month package. Well, I'm gonna be getting 40% of that, so we'll just say $40 per month for each person that signs up. They also have a $297 package, which you can see one person signed up. I'm getting $118 a month from one person every single month that they keep their subscription, just from getting an affiliate link for something I'm teaching around or using myself. Now, all of these you don't have to purchase yourself to be an affiliate. You can be an affiliate without paying the monthly fee and actually using the tool. But if you're gonna be promoting something, I recommend you be using it. It makes it a lot easier, and I wouldn't recommend promoting anything you don't actually believe in. Usually it's very obvious and it can hurt your reputation, but affiliate marketing is probably the easiest way as a beginner to start making money, whether you have a small YouTube channel, whether it's Instagram or Facebook, whatever it is. Affiliate marketing is very, very easy to do when you have a following, and is almost something you can do on autopilot, because if you're starting a YouTube channel and let's say you get 500 views on a video and you get 20 of those to go click on your Shopify link and 3 to sign up. Well, if 3 just signed up, you just made about $160. So imagine that with different videos, different tools, and there's a bunch of different places you can find things to be an affiliate for. A couple of them I'll show you real quick. One is called ClickBank. Now these are called affiliate networks, which is just a huge compilation of different products that give commission for you to promote them. And a lot of them are higher commission. Some things are $1,000 for each sale, but it's gonna be a more high ticket item. Some you can get money for people just clicking the link just for signing up, and those are called CPA, or cost per action. So let's say I have a link in my description and it requires you to go put your email in to sign up. Well, the action could be a sign up and I get $3 per email for each person that signs up. Or it could be per sale, where I get $30 for each person that buys. So there's a bunch of different types of affiliate offers you can choose from, and in so many different niches you can go. So ClickBank is one of the affiliate networks. Max Bounty is another one. CJ, just those 2 letters, is another good one. So there's infinite possibility with this. So if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know, and I can go more in depth on affiliate marketing, because it's a really cool model and I can just provide better content on this if you guys would like. So if you're new, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.